This is Jacobian topic. In that we saw first question. Show that the functions u is equal to x plus 1 y minus z and v is equal to x minus y plus z and w is equal to x square plus y square plus z square minus 2yz are dependent. Find the relations between them. Here they are giving u value, v value and w value. They are independent and we have to find relations between them. So here formula dou uvw divided by dou xyz is equal to dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z. So this is the formula, and u is equal to here x, so constant, so y 1, and y plus 1 plus y, so 1, and z minus z, so minus 1, and next x1 minus y, so minus 1, and plus z plus z. So x square while differentiating we will get 2x plus 2y, then 2z minus 2yz, and these values are we applying in the formula. And while we taking this 1 1, then this 2z 2z minus 2y, so into minus 1, so then 2y minus 2z, so into 1, so we get minus, and here so minus minus plus, so we get my plus, and minus 1 2z minus 2y minus 2x we will get while we solving this, and is equal to, after we solving this we will get 2y minus 2z minus 2y plus 2z, and here minus 1 it goes inside, means plus 2z minus 2z, and minus minus plus, and minus minus plus 2x, and minus 2y, and minus minus plus 2x 2z, and plus minus minus 2x, while we cancelling plus 2y minus z plus z, and again minus z plus z plus 2y minus 2y 2x minus 2x, we will get answer as 0. Next, u plus v is equal to 2x. This is our first equation, and u minus v is equal to 2y by y minus z. So this is our second equation, and we adding these two equations with squares. So u plus v the whole square plus u minus v the whole square. So we will get 4x square plus 4y minus z square. Then 4x square plus 4, we using here a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square means y square minus 2yz plus z square, and we taking 4 has common outside, so x square plus y square plus z square minus 2ay. So here this means w, so we get 4w. The required relations is 2u square plus 2v square is equal to 4w. So these two is divide, going this side means it will divide, and 2 we will get, so u square plus v square is equal to 2u. This question is completed. And next, second one, in cyclorical polar coordinates, x is equal to rho cos pi and y is equal to rho sin pi phi, then z is equal to z. Show that dou xyz divided by dou p phi z is equal to rho. So here same formula, xyz and divided by the p pi rho z is equal to, so xp and x dou y, and here we drawing graph. This is x axis and y axis and z axis. Here we get theta, and this line is p and m z. So we marking p x y z, and here rho theta z. And next, we applying x is equal to pi cos theta and y is equal to uh, x is equal to rho cos theta and y is equal to rho sin theta and z is equal to 0. Then what they given in what, what they given in question x, y, z. And here dou x divided by dou pi is equal to cos theta and dou y divided by dou p is equal to sin theta and dou z divided by dou p is equal to 0. And next here get dou x divided by dou theta is equal to minus rho sin theta and dou y by dou theta is equal to rho cos pi and rho z by rho theta is equal to 0. And next one rho x divided by rho z we will get 0, so rho y by rho z is equal to 0 and rho z by rho z is equal to 1. And here dou x y z divided by dou rho pi z is equal to cos theta minus p sin theta and 0. We using these values here cos theta and minus sin theta 0 and sin theta p cos rho cos theta and 0 and 0 0 1. Same like we doing like this and we will get, so here 0 means it will p cos theta plus it becomes 0 into 0 0, so here writing rho cos square theta plus rho sin square theta, so is equal to we will get rho we taken as common outside and cos square theta plus sin square theta, we know cos square plus sin square is equal to 1, so we will get only rho. And next column x is equal to rho cos theta and y is equal to p sin theta, z is equal to theta, same. And again we doing the tabular column with same one. And b formula dou x y z divided by dou rho theta z is equal to, and we using cos theta minus rho sin theta 0 sin theta plus rho cos theta 0 0 0 1. Same we doing the same procedure, then we will get rho cos pi plus p sin square theta and rho as taken common as outside and cos square theta plus sin square theta and we will get p. Next third one, if x is equal to uv and y is equal to u divided by v, prove dou x comma y divided by dou u comma v and dou u v divided by dou xy is equal to 1. We have to prove this equation. They given x value and y value, so x value x is equal to uv and we into in this xy is equal to, so uv into u divided by v and we will get u square, so u is equal to root xy, so y is equal to u divided by v and we get v taking as outside, so we will get u divided by v, so root x root y divided by y, one y and one root cancel, then we will get root x by root y. And we doing this tabular column. X is equal to uv and y is equal to u divided by v and u is equal to root x root y and v is equal to root x divided by root y. So dou x divided by dou u is equal to v and dou v divided by dou v is equal to, we will get 1 divided by v and dou u divided by dou x is root v divided by 2 root x and dou v divided by dou x we will get 1 divided by 2 root x root y and dou x divided by dou v is equal to u and dou v divided by dou s while we doing u divided by v square and here we will get root x divided by 2 root y and dou v divided by dou y we will get 0 minus root x 1 divided by 2 root y divided by y is equal to minus root x divided by 2y and root y. Here j is equal to dou x comma y divided by dou u comma v, and we for 2 means we will use this formula. So dou x divided by dou v and dou x divided by dou v, here dou u, and dou u divided by dou y divided by dou u and dou y divided by dou x dou v. So we will write the values here v u and 1 divided by v and minus u divided by v square. So while we crossing this, we will get minus u divided by v minus and u divided by v, and while into this we will get minus 2u divided by v common. So minus uv divided by v, and j dash, for j dash dou u by v divided by dou x by y, and the formula dou u divided by dou x and dou u divided by dou y, dou v divided by dou x and dou y divided by dou y, and we applying root y minus 2 root x and root x minus 2 root y, and 1 divided by 2 root x root y and minus root x 2y root y, and while we crossing this we will get minus 1 divided by 4y and minus 1 divided by 4y is equal to minus 1 divided by 2y we will get, and is equal to minus 1 2 y means u divided by v, so minus v divided by 2u. So while comparing j dash is equal to minus 2v divided by v and minus v divided by 2u, so is equal to 1.